Good afternoon, Warriors. Today is Monday, November 2nd, 2020. Taking a look at our homework for this evening. In math, we've got practice 4.4b. The accelerated class, you have practice 6.4. In regular math, we will be having a test coming up here later on this week. There's also the opportunity for extra credit this week. That was mentioned in class, and you need to take advantage of that if you would like to help out your grades. In science, we have our classifying elements assignment that is on our Chromebook. That's for the regular class. And then we need to finish a mineral presentation for the accelerated class. In social studies, you need to prepare for the election, reviewing the candidates and their policies and what they are looking for, as we will have our election tomorrow. In language arts, you've got a secret message handout. Make sure that you are following the instructions. You're using the backwards alphabet code. And then you have a crossword puzzle handout with a Harry Houdini vocab for the accelerated class. In literature across the board, we need to go through and read for AR. That's going to be it for today. Everybody have a fantastic Monday, and we'll see you tomorrow.